I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your bank or importing a CSV so the app has real data. This saves time and prevents errors. Once connected, create the main budget categories you'll use daily: rent, food, transport, savings, and assign percentages or amounts. Now, add 7 to 14 days of transactions and tag each one clearly. This trains the tracker's suggestions. Make sure to review merchant matches and correct any mislabeled entries, because accurate tags make reports useful and habits visible. Once your initial data is tagged, refine the rules. Set recurring transactions for rent and subscriptions so they auto-classify. Enable auto-categorization, but confirm the app's suggestions for the first 2 weeks to avoid mistakes. Then set monthly limits for each category and turn on push alerts for overspending. This keeps you accountable in real time. Also, link savings goals and automate transfers. This makes progress passive. If you notice trends, adjust category limits to reflect real life and reduce manual fixes. To finish, run the monthly report and compare budgeted amounts versus actuals to see where to cut or reallocate. This is how improvement happens. Export a CSV or PDF for tax time, shared planning, or bookkeeping. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Reconnect the account, re-import recent transactions, or clear the app cache. These steps resolve most sync hiccups. If duplicate entries appear, merge or delete them and rerun categorization. This preserves accuracy and keeps your cute expense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.